The Gate M West Bund Dream Center rises along the banks of the Huangpu River. Now emerges as Asia's largest waterfront arts district and a thriving commercial landmark. Once the home of the Shanghai Cement Factory, a cornerstone of China's modernization, a century ago, this colossal complex handled thousands of tons of raw materials. Now, reimagined by world-class architects, it has been reborn with a bold new vision. The 40-meter-high column-free exhibition hall bridges history and modernity through cutting-edge design, while the towering cement silos have been reinvented as Asia's premier rock climbing destination. The old industrial dock now offers a breathtaking riverside vista, framing the Huangpu River's golden bend in a sweeping 270-degree panorama. The century-old concrete framework remains intact, its rugged texture transformed into a dynamic canvas for digital art. In the West Bund Art District, a constellation of museums weaves art seamlessly into everyday life. Here, Riverside Market, Dome Theater, and Skate Park blend in vibrant harmony, complemented by over 160 international brands, infusing this historical site with fresh urban energy. The Dream Center's privileged riverside setting has created a naturally pet-friendly urban oasis. Elevated walkways thread through premium office towers in the West Bund Media Port, where art and commerce resonate in perfect sync. From producing cement to producing creativity, the district now hosts dozens of cultural events each year. Attracting world-class performances, waterfront lifestyles, and global artistry. As the urban rhythm poses anew at the Gate M West Bund Dream Center, it is no longer machines that power its momentum, but a bold new era for commerce for Asia.